Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about the long A sounds, specifically to the 8 sounds. A or A-T-E, 8 sounds, the long 8 sounds. But before that, we're going to review our short sounds to the long sounds. We will see the transition, how short sounds became long sounds. For example, here you can see here the word bat. Bat. That pronunciation or this sounds the short sounds. But if we'd like to make the letter A here as long sounds, it would become A. A becoming A. Bat becomes bait because there's already letter E here. Did you get it? The transition from the short sounds bat becomes bait when it becomes the long A sounds. So transitionally, A sound here becomes A sound if we're going to add E on the last vowel or the last letters on the word. We added here letter E to become the short sound bat into a long sound bait. Did you get it? Let's have another example. Bad. Bad becomes bade. Ban becomes bane. Bar becomes bear. Bat becomes bait. Okay, now I would like to go on further with the words having the long A sound, starting with the 8 sounds. Today is October 17th. That is the date today. Date. Repeat after me. Say date. You cannot say date because that is a Filipino accent. But in English, you need to make to pronounce the A here into a long sound A. Long sounding A becomes date because when you pronounce it as date, it becomes short. A becomes short. So since we are on the long sounds, we say date, fate. What do you mean by fate? It's just like going to someone who is going to predict our future. Like Madame Auring. Oh, Madame Auring is oftenly before, that is her work. Before showbiz, she is like someone who is predicting our future. For example, you want to know your career or you want to know someday what you want to do. It becomes your fate. Or sa Tagalog, it is kapalaran. Okay, let's read together. Repeat after me. Fate. Next. Isn't it obvious? That is a gate. Next is hate, meaning you don't know how to forgive. If you are always angry, you become hater. So don't be, children. Late. Going to school at 9 a.m. to 10 is already late. Because usually children, teachers, and pupils go to school at 7 o'clock. Okay? So when you go to school at 10 or 9, it's already late. How about this? Mate. Okay, mate, meaning you two are being so close. That is mate. Rate. Okay, when you say rate, it is becoming from low to highest. It is also from something that is small to the greater. That is rate. Again, rate. So it is just like if you're going to study, your grades will going high, meaning your rate in your class participation will increase. Rate. Okay, let's go to our story today. Are you ready, children? Okay. Since it is still there's morning, we still experience the shaking of the ground. Then our superintendent declare the suspension of face-to-face classes. So right now, we can still study, knowing that we still have online classes. So here is the story now. Are you ready? The title of the story is Ben's Fate. Ben sleeps early. Tomorrow is the big day. Ben is going to work in his first day. He hates to be late in work. His first day will pay good to his rate. Ben makes the clock as his mate. Who is going to work in his first day? Do you know he's going to work in his first day? Okay. Why do Ben hate to be late in his work? Do you know why Ben hate to be late in his work? What did he do so he will not be late? Is it written in the story? Why did or what did he do so Ben could not be late? Or can you think of some ways that you could not be late in your work? Answer all the questions in your remedial notebook, children, and I will be checking them when we come back next week. Bye for now. Have a good day.